about codes of 7 segment with Keypad matrix. Then for constant byte rows, this constant byte rows for the 4 and constant bytes column for the 3. Yung 1 for the columns 3 is yung 1, 2, 3. Then for the rows is yung pababa niya is 1, 4, 7 and asterisk. Ang Keypad matrix ko is 4 by 3. Then byte row points and rows is 8, 7, 6, 5 and for the pin columns is 14, 3 and 4, 3 and 2. Then Keypad custom keypad is equals to Keypad yung make a keypad map. Then this is my setup or pin mode. X is output, then pin mode A0 output, then the A1 output. Then for the void loop, this codes is for the Keypad matrix kung ano para lumabas sa 7 segment kung ano yung pindutin mo number sa keypad. Then yung custom key is equals to 1 or the words 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9. Then void 0, this is the codes for the 7 segment para naman siya ay umilaw. Then void 0 is yung digital write 9 for the high para lumabas yung line nung segment na nakatapat sa letter A.